Good evening, and I welcome you to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Tonight is creamy Cajun shrimp and corn pasta bake. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The second mise en place in order of appearance. The hot bath is ready. The ghee is getting hot. I add the onions to the ghee and saute. Then I add the garlic and saute for about a minute. Then I add the manzano chili peppers and saute. The penne is in the hot bath. I add the corn and saute some more. Then I add the shrimp and saute for just a little bit. I add the spices and combine. I add the cream and then mix. All the goodies combined. I add the cheddar cheese. The penne is hot and ready. I add the penne to the goodies. Everything ready in a pan to go in the hot box. I add a layer of cheddar cheese. Here's the dish and goodies in the hot box. Here's the dish right out of the hot box. And here's the final creamy Cajun shrimp and corn pasta bake. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.